Hey, welcome to General Entertainment. Today we're going to be doing a review slash unboxing of the Samsung Portable Solid State Hard Drive T5. I'm excited about this one because I've always wanted an external hard drive that was solid state capable and dependable. I picked up the 1TB version at Best Buy during the holiday rush for $150 plus taxes. I'm a professional mobile DJ and a video engineer. My professions require me to have reliable access to stored files while working in robust environments. So let's take a look at what comes in the box. Like most Samsung products, premium packaging is to be expected. It has a nice tempered glass-like material protecting the merchandise. My first impression is wow, this thing is tiny compared to all of my other external hard drives. Its light, portable features make it easy to just slip it in your pocket on the go. The Samsung T5 comes with two cables. You can use them to connect to your phone, computer, or tablet. One USB 3.1 Type-C to A cable, and one USB 3.1 Type-C to C cable. Both come with an attached piece of Velcro to help keep your cable management under control. Since purchasing the T5 about 2 months ago, I've been using it as my daily driver. It's replaced my G drive, along with all my centripetal technology-based external hard drives, as my carry-along option for work, or any situation where I need to refer to or back up a file. I bought an inexpensive cushioned case for it at Walmart in the camera section to add a little bit of protection. Speaking of protection, the T5 comes with an optional password setting to protect your data in case the device falls into the wrong hands. So here's a benchmark test between my Samsung T5 and one of my older external hard drives, Toshiba DTP-105. I used Crystal Diskmark to run these tests. As you can see, the Samsung Solid State T5 outperforms your standard 3.0 USB external hard drive, with read and write times at about 3 times faster than the older technology. It's been a good experience using it for the last 2 months, and I gotta say, it would be hard to go back to the older technology for daily use. However, I'm still using USB 3.0 external hard drives as a second backup for all my files. So that's going to be the end of this one, guys. If you are interested in this carrying case, you can see links to purchase in the description area. And if you like this kind of content, you can support me by liking this video and subscribing to my channel. Also, you can follow me on Instagram and Twitter at General with a J Entertainment. See you on the next one. Cheers.